Front stand serve.
Front stand serve.
Good.
Front stand serve.
Okay, don't go yet, Victor.
Front stand serve.
All right, very good. Samuel, give me 5. Samuel, the next time you have to bend your front leg more. Okay? Bend them more. All right, Victor, get ready.
Front stand serve.
Good. Hands by your side.
Front stand serve.
Keep going forward.
Front stand serve.
Okay, one more.
Front stand serve.
Very good. Give me 5. Victor, that was better, okay? All right, baby, let's see your last one. You got to do it hard, okay? Go.
Front stand serve.
Don't go yet, okay, Samuel? Victor,
Front
you have to
stand
have
serve.
the back foot wasn't turned all the
Front
way. You
stand
need to turn it
serve.
back, okay? So your balance will be better.
Front stand serve.
Oh, very
Front
good.
stand serve.
You got leg bends, remember, Samuel. Bend your front leg. Very good. Give me 5. Great self-discipline. Okay, go ahead, Victor. Keep your back foot turned. Where you going? Much better, much better. Great self-discipline. One more, one more. And line back up. Very good. Okay, face me and jump. Come in. Okay, let's have. Okay, Vivian, go on this start. Okay, Samuel, you're gonna be on that start. Yes, sir. Okay, Victor on this start. Okay, we're gonna do some animal races. Okay, the first race we're gonna do, you gotta run fast like a cheetah. Okay, you gotta run. Yeah, we'll get to the flamingo too, and we'll do the frog too. Okay, all right, we're gonna do those 3. All right, ready? So you gotta run fast like a cheetah, and go. Who's the fastest? Alright, okay, now let's do the flamingo. Samuel, you like to demonstrate the flamingo? Go ahead and demonstrate. Ready, go. So you do one leg. Okay, you even have your wings on the side, going side to side. Very good. Keep going, keep going. And then run back. Run like a cheetah. Very good. Okay? Alright. You guys think you can make great flamingos like Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, let's see. You gotta hop on that strong leg, okay? Ready? And go! Hop on the strong leg. Oh, Vivian, you'll make a great flamingo one day. Yes, once you get to the end, you gotta run back like a cheetah. Go, 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 go. All right, our last one, we're gonna do the frog. So you have to go real low like a frog, and you gotta hop. Okay, all the way down and all the way back on this one. This is your last one. Okay, ready? You gotta add the rabbit. Okay, all right, ready? We need some sound effects. Okay, go.